In this video, we are going to review how to book an appointment on LinkedIn profile, how to add the Book an Appointment button. Please note, this is only available to LinkedIn Premium users. To add this feature to your LinkedIn profile, follow these steps. 1. Click the pencil icon next to your LinkedIn Premium logo on your profile page. 2. Scroll down to the Custom Button section. 3. Tick the box labeled Book an Appointment. 4. Paste your online calendar URL into the provided box. Services like simplybook.me or simplymeet.me are excellent options for this purpose. 5. Check your LinkedIn profile to ensure the button is visible and working properly. Who can benefit from this feature? Coaches and consultants. If you are a coach or consultant, the Book an Appointment button can help you streamline the process of scheduling discovery calls with potential clients. This feature simplifies lead generation by allowing prospects to book meetings directly from your LinkedIn profile. Lawyers and other service professionals can use the appointment button to allow potential clients to schedule consultations. This feature simplifies the client intake process, making it easier for clients to seek legal advice or professional services. By providing a straightforward way for clients to book appointments, service professionals can enhance their engagement and service delivery, ultimately improving client satisfaction and efficiency. Freelancers. Freelancers can benefit by allowing potential clients to book consultations directly from their LinkedIn profiles. This can reduce the back-and-forth communication typically involved in scheduling meetings and help you secure more projects. Healthcare providers. Doctors or therapists can use this feature to let patients book appointments directly, so this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.